Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to Faceapp video. Faceapp, the well-known sometimes controversial AI-powered selfie filtering app, is launching version 4.0 with a bang by bringing its unique beautifications and aging tricks to video post-processing. The update brings a new video tab to Faceapp home screen. After users give permission for the app to record audio and video, they then record a clip, play it back, and then can apply any of the following filters. But if you tap Face Up, you will see your photos. Now, you can choose any photos you want to use in Face App or select Gallery at the bottom. At these photos, you can apply impression, hairstyle, sizes, makeup, skin, features, hair colors, smiles, age, gender, glasses, beards, and etc. And 3 more filters are available on a Faceapp Pro subscription. A one-frame preview is processed for people to check out before they decided to process the video. The files save to disk after that, and users are free to share the clip wherever they'd like. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.